Alright, welcome back to this wonderful channel once again. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to delete a Google account. In our previous lesson, we looked at how to create a Google account. So let's look at how to delete a Google account that you don't want again. So if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, like this video, comment on this video. Alright, so the only thing that we need to do is to look for the Gmail application, our Gmail application. So we look for the Gmail application here and click on it to launch it. When you click on the Gmail application to launch it, a menu will pop up like this. So you come to the top here, click on these three icons there. When you click on it, another menu will pop up. So let's go to settings. Let's go to settings at the down here. And let's select the Gmail account that we want to delete. So we want to delete this one. So let me click on that particular Gmail account that I want to delete. Alright, so let's come to account management. So manage your Google account. Click on it. Good. When you also click on that one too, a menu will pop up like this. So this is the menu that will pop up. Now we have to go to the next page. So when you click on the next page, this is what you see. This is where you see the details of your Google account. In this case, we want to delete, so let's come to data and privacy. When you click on data and privacy, you see a lot of things here. So let's, without wasting much time, let's quickly go to let's come down here. Here you can download your data in the Google account onto your phone. So let's come to delete a Google service. We want to delete the account. So click on it. Please, when you start this service, you cannot stop it. So let's click on the delete account and wait for it. And make sure that you have a strong internet connection before you begin this process. Alright, so when you click on delete your Google service, it will ask you to enter the password that you used when you were creating the Google account to verify whether it is you or not. So let me enter the password so that we continue. Alright, after entering the password, you click on next here. Click on next. And let's wait for the system to finish working on this particular aspect for us. Okay, so they said the password is wrong, so I have to enter another password again. Alright, so the password is correct now. So this is what you see. This is what you see. You either download your data before you continue the deletion process, or you delete it direct. So let me click on this one to delete it. I don't want to download anything, so let me delete it. So here you have to enter the email address again here. So this one is not the same email address. You enter a different email address here to confirm the deletion process of this particular one. Good. So click on send me verification email. Send me verification email. Good. Alright, so guys, if you are able to enter the email address and the verification code has been sent to you, then your account will be deleted successfully. So if you really enjoyed this video, if you really like it, make sure you subscribe to this channel, you turn on the notification button, you like and share this video. Thank you very much. Let's meet in our next interesting video. Thank you very much.